Hey folks, Rogers Motor Cars here. Sorry if it's a little windy. We got a storm rolling in, so I'm going to talk louder than usual. But we got this 1972 Ford Bronco in. I bought this back. We sold it to a client a little over a year ago. He lived about 10 minutes down the street. Called me, wanted to sell it and get a new toy, something different, a car, maybe with a stick shift. So we're looking for him for something different. But I went ahead and bought this back. We built it. It's about a 1-year project before we sold it to him. Gorgeous Bronco, no rust. It's got a fresh 302 in it, no leaks. He added fuel injection. It was carbureted when we sold it. He did the fuel injection on it. It's the newest unit you can get from Metalbrock. You can tune it from your phone with an app. Runs perfect. He also ran the exhaust out the back. We had dumps on it. And he added the shoulder belts. We had lap belts. So he did a couple improvements there. And it is really, really nice. All MSD ignition stuff. The transmission was new. When we sold it to him, it was C4 done by Ford Specialties. 302 was fresh. All new suspension, new worn hubs. It's got the James Duff trailing arms, stabilizers, squad shocks. Rides awesome. Runs great. These Wild Horses tubular doors were very expensive and not very easy to install. All that is perfect. Got these nice armrests on it too, but they're just really, really nice. Seats all waterproof in here, rhino lined. All the gauges are working. New fuel tanks, both of them, sending units. The switch works, so you can go between the tanks if you like. Really just a nice turnkey Bronco here. The Warren winch, new obviously. You can run that from the switches inside. You don't need the remote, but we do have the remote. Steering stabilizer. All these lights are LED. The headlights are super bright LEDs. All gauges work. Everything, all the lights, very nice. The sound system, infinity cap of speakers inside. There are 4 of them inside. There's the kick panel ones. We've got 2 in the back also, and then a subwoofer underneath that rear seat, and 2 amps underneath that passenger seat. It's loud. It'll blast you out. It's crank it up big time. So it sounds awesome. Really love this one. Power steering. I did a conversion kit on the front, so it's got power front disc brakes now, which is nice. I know I've said it before, but it's a C4 automatic. The transfer case is all redone and everything as well. 4-wheel drive works fine. Give it a rev. And this thing is awesome. Crank right up every single time. Very nice. So yeah, we're excited to have this one back, and give us a call, text, email. We'll get back to you very quickly. You can do deals long distance, over email. You can work with any bank that'll work with us. And we can also deliver this baby right to your driveway, anywhere in the country. So give us a call. There's lots of pictures I'll put online. A lot of engine pics. Engine bay is really clean and nice. This is a show truck. I mean, it's beautiful. Hope to hear from you guys on this one. Give us a subscribe here on YouTube, and go follow us on Instagram, Rogers_Motorcars. We do a lot more posting there, projects we got going on, and trades coming in and out, so you'll be a little more informed. And have a great week. Hope to hear from you.